Welcome to your dream escape in the heart of Tucker County, West Virginia, a pristine 51-acre mountain property that offers unparalleled beauty and tranquility. Nestled at 299 Whites Road in Hendricks, West Virginia. At the center of this idyllic property lies a charming, fully furnished 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. Whether you seek a peaceful residence or a serene retreat, this home offers the perfect setting. Alongside the house, you'll find a spacious garage, a tool shed filled with tools that convey with the property, and several primitive barns ideal for storing your ATVs, tools, and outdoor gear. Venture along the trail and you'll discover an open meadow where more barns await. Surrounded by some of the most stunning vistas in the eastern United States, this land is a haven for wildlife with excellent cover, abundant water sources, and plentiful food. And for the outdoor enthusiast, Dry Fork River is just a half-mile away, offering even more opportunities for adventure. This unique property is now open for bidding, with the auction closing on Monday, September 23rd at 7 p.m. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of Tucker County paradise. For more information and to place your bid, visit Kaufman-Auctions.com. Contact James Yoder at 304-844-3139 for any questions.